Hi beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I wanted to do something with blue because I never really used blue eyeshadow that much because I can never find a really good blue that I like. And I was going through my palettes and I found two palettes that have two shades of blue. One was darker than the other one, which are these two palettes. And I'm going to show you how I did this look. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So I never really used blue eyeshadow that much. And I really don't have a lot of blue eyeshadows. I found two palettes that have blue. I'll show you when I get to that point. It's this one and this one. But first, let's prime. And today I'm going to prime with the NYX Pore Filler, which it used to be my favorite. It still is, but I really like it because it really does cover up and smooths. It blurs your pores really good. I wouldn't consider this a primer. I don't know why it says primer, but for pore filling, yes, it's really good for that. So for foundation, I'm going to be wearing the L'Oreal Infallible in shade 420. For concealer, I'll be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to use setting powder now before setting powder. I'm so stupid. So I'm going to use setting spray now before I powder because it lasts longer on my oily skin. Been doing that for a long time and it's a really good trick if you have oily skin. And I'll be using this Maven Rosewater Setting Spray. It came in my BoxyCharm and I really like it. So I had to tie up my hair. And I had to do this because it's too hot. It's extremely hot. And if I do just one ponytail, I'm gonna look like I'm bald. And it was either looking like a bald or looking like an idiot, and I chose looking like an idiot. So here we are. For powder, I'll be using the Infallible Loose Setting Powder in shade 612. Running out of it again. I go through this so quickly, it's unbelievable. So hot in here that my device is overheating. I have to turn it off. Be right back. Unbelievable. Okay, so I'm first going to use this Violet Voss Essentials 2, and I'm going to use this one. Now I feel like I have to do this really quickly because my phone keeps heating up. Hopefully it doesn't shut down. So I'm just going to put this all over my eye, really, my crease and above. It's a really pretty blue. This is the first time I've used it. I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. Blue to deepen the crease. Blend those two colors. With a smaller brush, that dark blue on the lower lash line. gonna add some black eyeliner in the waterline. This one's by NYX. My camera shut down again. Shit happens. I'm gonna tell you what I did. First, I did black eyeliner, my waterline. I think I showed that part, I'm not sure. Then with the dragon liner, I did the black wing eyeliner. I bronzed with the NYX palette. For blush, I used the Milani in Romantic Rose. For highlight, I used the Ofra highlight palette. For lips, I used the Lunar Beauty Aura lip gloss. So this is the final look. So I like the blues that I tried from those two palettes. They're really good. They're pigmented and they blend easily. So if you want some blues, we have two options here. I don't think they're selling this one anymore. I think this was a limited edition or a limited collection, I'm not sure. But I think this one's available. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified every time I upload. And give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.